In this video, we'll be going over the Map501 collector application and how it works. When you come into the application, you notice that the map is the main centerpiece of the application. This is where we're going to add points and add our data. In the top, we have an Add Point button that allows us to add new points to the map. In the middle, at the top, we have an Edit Position button where we can change the position of locations that have already been added to the map. In the top right, we have our Download button to export our data. Additionally, we also have a Map501 logo that, when clicked, will take you to the home page of the Map501 website. Additionally, we have a point counter to show us how many points have been added to the map, as well as a location button that, when clicked, will zoom the map to the current user's location. I'll go ahead and demonstrate the location button now. And when clicked, we see that the map zooms and we get a graphic showing our current location. The graphic gets cleared so not to obstruct other points on the map, but can be re-clicked at any time and will show back up. To use the application, I'll go ahead and add a few sample points. Once I click on the Add Point button, we'll see that our cursor changes to show that a marker can be clicked on the map at any point and dropped. Once we click, we see that our current marker is highlighted. We also see a dialog box where we can add notes to this point. You can also click Delete Point to remove this point from the map. We also have a text note here that says click the map to save this note. Upon clicking the map, we ensure that that note is saved. So when we open back up our point, we see that our message has been saved as well. I'll add another point here. Save that. And here we'll go ahead and edit our positions. So when we click on this button, we'll notice that our markers that are currently on the map get highlighted. And when hovered over, we get a drag message that tells us that we can drag this marker to change the location. If you made a mistake in placing a marker, you can drag them in this format to change the location. Once you have your markers where you want them, you can click on the Stop Edit button to stop editing, or go ahead and add a new point to cancel out this information. Finally, we can click the Download button to export our 2 points. Once clicked, we'll notice that it asks us on our computer where we want to save this data. We've chosen a proper location. We can go ahead and click Save, and this data will be shown in our folder. By default, this is exported as GeoJSON data that can then be transformed and used in various different formats. We'll go ahead and take a look at our data real quick. We see that we have all of our data with the note 1 here, and our second point with the demo note 2 there as well. That concludes this tutorial. Thank you.